So let's look at the website. There is a European website with the Thinkrider, so you can look at that. The official price is 844 euros, as you can see. So here we have the basic photos where we can see all the details. The cassette is not included, so keep in mind. So we have the control of the Thinkrider over the Bluetooth and as well ANT+. And as you notice, the ANT+ stick is included, so that should be fine. The legs are very stable, very wide, what you can see. I'm not sure if they are wider than the ones which are on the Wahoo Kickr, but I didn't look, I didn't compare the size, so that's what you can see on the photos. And as well, in the reality, I can say it's very, very stable. So I bought the trainer on the Aliexpress with the delivery from Poland, which took 3 days actually to the Netherlands. And the price was much better because it was only 500 euros at the end after some small discounts. So here we have the more details. You can see that first of all, what is important, this one is really flexible when you ride, so it can go from the center line 5 degrees to the left and right, up to 5. So you feel like really riding, and that's something to keep in mind. You see here it's showing you that it can move 5 millimeters, which is giving you about 5 degrees. The legs are built differently than it is in the Kickr. Yes, here we can see some details, technical details. So the weight is 21 kilos and the power which you can generate is maximum 2500. So at the beginning, just a quick shots of the smart trainer, Thinkrider. You can see I have now installed a cassette because it's coming without the cassette, so this is something what you have to keep in mind. The cassette must be installed by you. Yes, so it is an extra investment for my cassette. I paid like 27 euros, so it's not very, or 25 I think from the Decathlon. It's a micro shift, not the best one, 11 speed, but it works how it should, so I'm fine with that. So the quality is very good. What you can see, it's very solid construction. Yes, so we are going down. This part here is a plastic, so it is strong plastic. Yes, skewed together. All the electronics and everything is inside. Then we are going to the metal. This all is metal. It's a solid metal. So you can see that it's already used for a few sessions. Here we have all the warnings and the messages and the legs. The legs are very nice because they are very wide, very stable, easy to move them. You just press the button here and you move that outside to put that on the ground with the high stability. Additionally, it is allowing you as well to ride and to work with your body because the whole smart trainer would shift from the center line about 5 degrees, which is great for trainings, and from the flexibility as well. You do not see it totally on this one, so it is much better than my previous Elite Cubo. So this one is much so now we are looking at the other side. Yes, just turn it. This is the handle which you can use to carry. It is not light. This one, the smart trainer weight is around 20 kilos almost, so it's not so easy to carry that, especially when you have this connected with the bike and you have to move that. This handle actually is quite useful. It's very solid, good quality so far, and you can see that the design and the way how it is built is as well is good quality. This is the main wheel location. I think from the specification the wheel is about almost 7 kilos, so it is quite heavy, and it is giving you a good feeling when you ride on the bike, because you feel like being really on the bike, and I like that, and my wife as well. And the second leg, which you just put on the side. About the temperature, let's say we ride at the maximum load about 300-400 watts max, so not so high, and the temperature is okay. It's not like the previous smart trainer which you use. That one was not a direct drive trainer, smart trainer, so actually the temperature of the tires and the temperature of the electronics was very high, and it's already dead after 1 year and in the service. So we are waiting for Elite to fix that, because it was ridiculous. They were plastic parts and it was low quality. So that's how it looks like. Power supply which is coming is 12 volts, 5 amperes. I don't know why 5 amperes, but it is nominally 5 amperes.